Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back. Marshall here that films Kiamichi Road and the Queen on Eastern Railroad. Alrighty. Here comes the Kiamichi boys. Here I go before I turn the camera. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already do so. Press notification and press the bell. And subscribe if you haven't. If you haven't, please do so. And enjoy the family. Don't forget to subscribe to my buddy Josh, Shortline Rail Fenders, and my channel as well, Marshall Price. And all the others as well, JDT Trains and everything else. Alright, everyone. That's a new Freddy. Look at that one. There they go, driving the girls eastbound. That's a different Freddy. A different Kiamichi Freddy, I call it. There they go, crossing over the bypass crossing down here on the south end. And now they're about to cross Overland Lane in a few minutes or two. And then Lemon Lane Road. Alright everyone. Oh, look at that fresh coat of shine. Look at that. Look. Fresh coat of shine. They just, hold on. They just came through here at 5:45. And so they're going to be in Argenta at least in an hour and 45 minutes. So, see you later. Martian out. Thanks for watching. See you somewhere out there on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Road or the Queen Eastern Railroad or somewhere out there on the big lines out there. Watching. I will see you next time. I got my mom and my niece with me. Alright everyone. Bye now.